Sometimes you just want to ask a question regards to a release, a product, fixed wireless access, you name it, you can have the answer. So within our frequently asked questions, you can say you want all frequently asked questions related to an Omni 300. So what the system will do is it will take your keyword and see what articles might reference or can discuss your specific keyword within the article. So for instance, this explaining MIMO performance, the likeliness that Omni 300 has been mentioned within this article is very high. So therefore, this article is displaying for the Omni 300 keyword search. And let's say we want to have a frequently asked questions about fixed wireless access. You can start typing it, and then it will display the most relevant keyword or articles to your keyword. And as you type it, it will then filter it more. Right now, we only have one article regards to fixed wireless access in the frequently asked questions. But let's take something that's more common, a 5G question. There we've got a few articles. Okay, 3. And then if you want to just, let's say, ready, then it pulls only that one article that's relevant to your keyword search that you typed in, and it will remove the rest. And if we go back to 5G, then you will see all 3 articles again displaying the 5G keyword.